Hey you guys, today I'm making a canned good holder for my wife.
Hi you guys, and welcome back to Nikko Does What. This is going to be a quite long video. I need you guys to please subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate that. Be blessed you guys, and we will see you on the next one.
And the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm actually making this canned good holder out of pallet wood. So right now it's kind of uneven, and right now I'm just marking it right here because the pallet wood right here is too big. So I'm just gonna mark it where I want it at. Hey you guys, I'm here to give you the dimensions on this board right here. This is a 4 feet board, and the reason we put this right here in the middle because we divide it to a 2-tier. Each section is 2 feet. You know, this one, I mean, this 2 feet and this is 2 feet. So you know, we'll just go from there.
So we can house 14 different kinds of canned goods in this canned good holder or canned good tray or whatever you want to call it. So this is the beginning of it, the beginning stages. So this is how far we have got. So careful. And we'll return when he get done. So he about done with the bottom of the can holder, and he finna start on the top now, and then we'll come back when he put the finishing touches on it. But this side looking, they roll completely. Okay, we are almost done. Almost. With this part of it anyway. Wait, and this is how it's looking. So Ishmael is doing something with the wiring. So yeah, that's how it's looking. So cute. So in this clip I am measuring where each board need to go and how the can gonna come out of here. So that's what I'm doing. And if I don't do this as a voiceover, if I do it as a voiceover, I'll remind myself of that. So this is how it's looking, and look who's at home to help out. That's the can good holder. Okay, he is hanging the can good holder. You did not get shot. And it's so hot up there you can't put the light on. So we have to put the light. That's what he doing, hanging this can good holder. Okay, there go the can good holder. I want to paint it white. I don't know if it's gonna contrast with this stuff, but next time you see it, it'll be white.
Alright guys, so this is the end to my dad's Kanga holder. It's up to my mom to paint it now, but I guess this is the end of the video. Be blessed, and we will see you on the next one. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye! Hey guys, so I guess this is the end of the video, and this is the finishing product.